Another day, another vlog.
Ikaw is with Pokémon card. So, this is the do a vlog.
Okay. So guys, since wala ulit pasok si Jack, nang ulit siya, mag-open daw ulit kami or mag-rip ulit ng Pokemon card. So meron pa kami dito tatlo. Tatlo, pitch black. Jack.
Black ang diyan.
Anong gusto mong i-open dyan? Pili ka na.
This one.
Ito, pakita mo sa kanila kung yung open natin.
Natin ito ang logo. So yun.
I will teach you how, ha? So you will lick this one. And then, kita mo yun, buo ka na. Oh, what professional na talaga si Papa mag-open ng card. Patingin ka sa camera, ha? Kukuha ulit ng isa si Papa sa likod. Ilalagay sa una. Yan. Sana may makuha tayo, Jack. Yung last time, wala eh. Okay? Oh, look at there. What can you see in the screen?
Oh my God! It's a fire.
Fire. Next. What's that?
What's this?
I think it's a dog. A big dog.
Yes.
Oh, next card. I'll show you how once I read. Oh, look at the camera. Look at the camera. Oh, look at the camera. What's that?
Dancing.
Yeah, it's a cute dolphin. Look there. What's that?
What's this?
No, look there. What's that? I think it's a poster. No, it's an armor fossil.
Armor fossil.
Oh, what's that next?
What's this?
Chuck, put it on. What's that?
I think it's a dragon.
Dragon ba yan? Next, what's that? Oh, dear.
I think it's a monster.
It's a monster. Jaran, what's that? Who's that?
It's Grandma.
Grandma, kamukha nga ni Mama. Grandma daw. Oh, what's that again? I think, what's that?
It's an
Marshadow.
Marshadow. So
Look! Wait, it's a shiny card. I think it's... No, this is not yet the electric. Parang ano siya, oh, gold. Whoop! Uy! Oh my God! Oh my God, ang gaganda yata ng Jack. What's that? Money Creek. So shiny. Ano ba to?
ano ba to?
And last, may isa pa. Parang may...
Next.
Oh!
It's an eye.
I think we got one. What's this? We got this. We'll check. What's this? I think it's a nice card,